Samsung has released many products here at the Consumer Electronics Show, including a new phone. This is the S21 FE 5G. Now FE stands for Fan Edition, so that means Samsung puts their favourite features into one device. Now the S21 FE has a fantastic screen and a triple camera system. They're the two features that fans obviously love. All customers want great screen and to take great images. It's also 7.9mm thick, so really thin, easy to put into your pocket. But overall, I think Samsung put it together a package for Australian customers that's under $1,000. So it has all those top shelf features, those flagship features in a phone that's under $1,000. So stay tuned for the S21 FE. It's going to be available in January.